So I'm going to show you how to edit the Salmon House website. So the first thing you need to do when you get to the website is you need to log in. Now you get to the login by going to the URL salmonhouse.com/wp-admin. Now in this video there's a WordPress here because we're on a development site, but once the site goes live this WordPress part will disappear, so you'll actually see something that looks like this. Once you go there, it'll take you to the WordPress login, where you can log in with the username and password that I sent you in your email, and it'll log you into the website. Easiest way to edit a page is go to Salmon House, visit site, and then pick the page that you want to visit. So we're going to do the home page here. So we're going to hit edit, and it's going to bring up the page editor. Now just like you would in Word or anything else, you can go through and you can change the text by typing away. There are 3 examples on this page of the text. The first one is heading 1. You can see when I select it, this part here changes to say what kind of tag it's in. The second one, heading 2. If I want to add a third heading, I can do that, highlight it, and change it to heading 3. Now I've predefined all the headings, so when you do that and you update it, you can go back to view page and you can see the 3 different styles that are created for those headings. Paragraph has no styling on it whatsoever, so we can delete that and we can save it again. Things to keep in mind when you're on this page. Each page has a different type of layout, and those can be found over here under templates. So the first one we have is the default template. If you do that, it's going to give you the sidebar image on the right plus the text in the middle with the things that are defined. If you go to gallery template, this is if you wanted to create a new web or a new photo gallery. We've already got one going, so we don't have to worry about that. We're probably not going to use that ever again. The third one is menu. This is the menu layout. This gives you the look and feel of your menus throughout your website. And it's also used for pages that want to mimic menu pages, but might not necessarily have menu items. I will show you those later on. One column, no sidebar, so that's one big giant column. And then the third one is wine menu. This puts in those small little navigations across the top, which define whether it's red wine, white wine, cocktails, etc. Other than that, the simple buttons across the top here let you bold, italicize, strike through, and all that kind of stuff. The only one that you're probably going to use more of is if you double click on a piece of Word and you want to link it, you hit the link button. It'll come up with the link editor. Down below, these are all the pages that are within your website. So if you want to link it to a specific page, so for say I want to say unparallel and I wanted to link it to weddings, I click on weddings and it'll automatically fill this out. You can fill in whatever URL you want up here. So say you wanted it to go to Google, you could type in http://google.com and it would do that. And then you hit add link. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to change that. So we'll hit cancel here. Every time you're finished, you hit update and it will update the page and save it. You can hit the preview changes button, which will take you to the page and show you what it's going to look like without saving it. So you can go back and forth and you can make it look right before you actually apply your changes. That is how you update a page.